All right, guys, so it is iPhone 16 time, and today we are taking a look at my favorite and what I would consider the best screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, I know what you guys are saying. Brian, how do you know that it's the best screen protector? Well, you know, over the years, I've tried so many different ones, and especially for the 15 Pro Max, I mean, I have tried so many different screen protectors, and honestly, Flolab has always been the best because of that anti-reflective property that's on it. So basically what it does is it enhances the colors and it reduces the glare. So your screen is going to look very, very good with this. It's not going to hinder your display quality at all, but it is going to provide that anti-glare. So when you're outside, it's not going to be, glared off from the sun or anything like that in your eyes. It'll be very nice, very easy to view your phone without those annoying glares. So let's go ahead and install this. Now we are going to be putting this on the Desert Titanium 16 Pro Max. I almost said 15 Pro Max right there. I almost did it, but it is the 16 Pro Max we're putting it on. Now, before we get into it, the price on this one is $49.95. You're looking at $50, and it only comes with one screen protector. Now, links will be down in the description below for this, and I will leave a discount code right here that you can use to save yourself some money. Now, taking a look at the packaging, you are looking at an infinity edge design, so this is edge to edge. It says polar spectra, so you're not going to get those crazy glares from like polarized sunglasses or anything, that rainbow effect. Smudge resistant, precision tough, and ultra high clarity, scratch protection, and manufactured through science. So you get a little bit of information what you get here, and it does come with a limited lifetime warranty. So if you damage it, if it gets worn out, whatever, they will replace it for you for free as long as you still own that device. All you got to do is pay shipping. So for $50, you basically get free screen protectors for life of your device, and shipping's what, like $5, $6? No big deal, but to get a $50 screen protector, totally worth it to pay that $5. So enough yapping, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at what we get inside the packaging. Now, huge shout out to Flolab actually for sending this out to me for review for you guys. Very big thank you to them. So what we get here is an installation kit. So I'm actually going to this is the installation template right here. I'm going to put this to the side, and you are going to get a squeegee. And then on the back of it here, you are going to get that rest of your installation kit. So here we do get, let's go ahead and just pop all this stuff out. So here we are going to get a wet wipe. Then you get this thing. This is basically to show that it is anti-glare and it doesn't have any of those rainbow effect properties. I don't usually use this thing, but we'll check it out, I guess, later towards the end of the video. Then you get an instruction manual on how to install it. You get your microfiber cleaning cloth and a very nice dust removal sticker that's going to cover the entire screen of the phone. So you, one and done, you should be good to go. Now, of course, I like to go over it a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff on. I have the Desert Titanium turned off. It is completely off. I definitely recommend you guys turn your phone off before you install any screen protectors, especially from that tap to wake. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and wipe this. Now this is release day of the iPhones, and it's already smudged up and stuff like that. So definitely wanna take out the wipe. I kinda wish that I did this before peeling off the sticker, but it is what it is. So let's just go ahead and give this a good little wipe over. Now I'm going to fast forward some of the parts of this video. That way you guys don't have to sit here and watch all the boring stuff. All right, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and take our microfiber cleaning cloth and we'll just dry it off real quick. All right, now next we will take our dust removal sticker and let's go ahead and just place it on here. So I'm going to try to do it as kind of neatly as I can. Do that. There you go. All right, and I do love that it covers the whole screen. Now I am going to look at some of the other areas on here to make sure that there are no extra dust particles or anything like that, but we'll go ahead and do that. You just peel that off, and it should get all of your dust right off. But I like to give it a once over, just to be sure. And you kind of got to look at it from a straightforward angle. You kind of want to look at it like that. So let me go here behind the camera, make sure everything is good to go. Now, sometimes you are going to get a little tiny bit of an air bubble or anything like that, and that's normal with screen protectors. The only thing is you just got to make sure that there's no dust or anything like that under the screen. So let's go ahead and set this bad boy on here. And the first thing we are going to do is, first of all, you want to make sure everything is nice and aligned. And then we're going to take this little piece right here, and we're just gonna kind of put them down a little bit. Now, make sure you save this installation kit, this blue thing, because if you lose it, when they send you the replacement, I believe it only comes with the screen, the glass itself. So save this. I'm not throwing this away. Make sure you guys save that. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and, like I said, pull that down right here, unlock those, and we're just going to pull this, and it should be good to go from there. So let's go. Oh, something just fell off my desk. But all right, no problem. So what we're going to do from there is just let this sit for 1 second and just kind of slide your finger down like this. That way you can kind of get everything nice and installed on there. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wait about 30 seconds to a minute, and we'll come back and take a look at how it looks. All right, so it has been about 30 seconds. It says wait 20. I waited 30, whatever. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm just going to try to do this as carefully as I can. And let's see here. All right, so not to worry, there is this this little plastic film on here. Now, of course, if you do get some air bubbles, it will just squeegee out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sit here real quick, just kind of squeegee those. Let's go ahead and peel this off and see what we're looking like. All right, so don't worry about this. It's not a big deal. Give it a second. So what you're going to do is just going to kind of press these out. Now, it is kind of a bubble-free installation for the most part. Now, these bubbles are going to go away. You got to just take a look at them. Make sure there's no dust particles or anything underneath the bubbles here. And those look to be good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeegee these out, and then I'll come back and show it to you guys. All right, so we're back. Now, I spent about the last literally 2 minutes just getting the little bubbles out. Now, again, there were no dust particles or anything. I am doing this from behind the camera, but it, you know, sometimes it just happens. You get it. It is what it is. It's not the biggest deal in the world. But as you guys can see, this thing is bubble-free. It looks very nice on here. It fits very well. Nice edges. No issues when you're swiping. And let's take a look when we go ahead and turn this on. Here we go. Give me 1 second. Now, just here in the corner, literally what you can do is, I use this little third-party squeegee, but you can use their squeegee, whatever floats your boat, whatever you want to do. As you guys can see, this phone's not even set up yet. Screen protector first, case first, then you can set it up. But anyways, I just took the squeegee a little bit here and there. You take the you take the microfiber cleaning cloth, and you sit here, just give it a little rub down, put a little bit of elbow grease, but don't do it too hard. Just a little bit of elbow grease in it, and there you go. Couple minutes, and you are good to go. No issues whatsoever. No reflections, nothing weird. As you guys can see, I have a big light right there in front of the camera here, and there's your no reflection right there. It looks really, really good. Now, if I was going to take another phone, that's the benefits of having multiple phones here. Now, this one does not have any screen protector on here. I just have a case on there for right now. But I'm going to give this a wipe down because it looks a little ugly. And let's take a look. Now, we have the Flolab screen protector on here, no screen protector here. And you guys see that reflection right there? But look at that one. Hang on. Look at that. No reflection. So that is the really nice benefit of this Flolab screen protector. I highly, highly recommend it. As you guys can see, let me just wipe it one more time here. No bubbles. Everything looks really good. It's going to work with all of your cases. No issues at all with that. Which actually, let's go ahead and take a case and apply it on here, just so you guys believe me. Now, this is the Apple silicone case. Stay tuned for that review. But as you guys can see, it fits perfectly on there with no issues, no bubbles, no raised up corners, nothing. Case friendly. Anti-reflective. I love the screen protector. This is the main screen protector that goes on my phone. It stays on my phone as long as it possibly can. If I break it, I get another one. And yeah, so we're going to be reviewing a whole bunch of other screen protectors, and there's a lot of great ones on the market, but this Flolab, as far as everything I've tested, this is the best one. So with that being said, guys, this is, again, the Flolab Anti-Reflective OneTime Pro Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear what you think about it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We're gonna have a ton of iPhone 16 Pro Max accessories on the channel, from cases, screen protectors, chargers. There's that MagSafe that's been upgraded that gives you the faster charging. We're gonna look at that. All accessories when it comes to iPhone 16 Pro Max. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys get subbed up. And if you wanna see my unboxing of all of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, yes, we got all 4 colors in, I'll leave that video right there.